Peace be upon you, my dear students, in the name of Allah, the most gracious and most merciful. We'll start our lesson 24 about commas. Okay. So here, where do we put comma? Where can we put commas? Commas with direct speech and names. Commas with names. Names means what? What the meaning of all these boxes? When you write, you use a comma to set off the name of a person addressed. Addressed means here, addressed directly means when you say, we call Yusuf, do your homework. So after Yusuf here, you put comma. That's it. Like here, number 2, Randy, have you ever picked up a tortoise? Randy here, you call him Yusuf, Ahmed, Iyad. Please be quiet. Cook silently. Cook kofta silently. No problem. So, Iyad here, after Iyad, you put comma. After Yusuf, you put comma. Okay? Yusuf, go and buy shawarma, please. After Yusuf, you put comma. Okay? Sorry. So it means here you addressed him, you call him, and set off introductory words such. Introductory words like what? Yes, I've got it. After yes, you put comma. After no, you put comma. When I ask you what's your opinion about class 4P, you will answer, well, you say well to what? To think. So after well, you put comma. Okay? So after no, you put comma. After well, when you started the sentence with well, you put comma. That's it. When you started the sentence with no, with yes, you put after yes or no, comma. When you call someone, Yusuf, Iyad, Muhammad, you put what? You put comma. Okay? And also, here, we knew what number 4. These animals cannot walk fast. Okay. Okay, here. In number 4, these animals again cannot walk fast. Brenda, though their legs are strong. I know this sentence is confusing. Why? Brenda is a name, like Iyad. These animals cannot walk fast, Iyad, though their legs are strong. What is the sentence? These animals cannot walk fast, though their legs are strong. But I call Iyad here to what? To attract his attention. Iyad or Yusuf are playing in the class. So, while I'm explaining something, these animals cannot walk fast, and now Iyad or Yusuf are talking. Iyad, Yusuf, so I complete the sentence, this sentence. So their legs are strong. Whose legs are strong? Yusuf and Brenda and Iyad. You didn't get me in this sentence. You were playing, you were talking, okay? These animals cannot walk fast. I put comma, and here what? Between two commas. Why? It's a name. We can cancel it. If you cancel this name between commas, the sentence is still correct. It's no problem. But just I call his name here in the middle of the sentence. Okay? You got it? Okay, and this is very easy with direct speech. Direct speech, when you call someone or names, we have a name here, or also, or direct speech when you call someone, or we have yes or no or well. Okay? Okay. So we'll go to another page to complete all things about commas. Okay? Here, commas and compound sentences. Commas and compound sentence. What the meaning of compound sentence first? Compound sentence joins two complete ideas, two complete sentences we have two complete sentences like this. He was grace for hours each evening. It's a complete sentence. We have a subject, we have a verb. And here, they eat up to 150 pounds of food a day. This is also a complete sentence. We have full stop here, we have full stop here. So this is one sentence, this is number two. Okay, I wanted to make them one sentence and put and. Yes, I will put and here in the middle and change full stop into comma. Now, is it two sentences? No, they are one sentence. In the middle we have comma and the letter capital T is small t, so the sentence will be compound. He was grace for hours each evening and they eat up to 150 pounds of food a day. They eat up. This is what blending, like we said, 150, 50. Okay, Yusuf, 50. You can say 50. You can say 50. Okay, pounds of food. We mixed the two sentences to make compound sentence. Where is the comma? The comma here in the middle, before and. Okay. And before and only. No. Number 3. Hips cannot sweat. Okay, they keep cool in the mud and water. Okay, Yusuf, water. You can say water, you can say water, Yusuf, okay? And add also and all for B. Like pot, we want to put pot in the middle. You can make it, yes. I put it in the middle, and before pot we make comma. And before but, before and, before any connector. Connectors means connectors like and, but, so, because, or anything. Okay, like here, so we put before so comma. Another thing, in number 2, we want to say hips have eyes, ears, and nose. Hips have 3 things. What are they? Eyes, ears, and nose. Can we say hips have eyes and ears and nose and no? We have 3 things. You put the first one, after it comma, put the second one, after it comma, before the last one put and. You have how many things here? 3. How many commas? 2 only. Don't put before the first one. After the first one, comma, and the second one, comma, and put and before the last one. We put commas between 2 sentences to make it compound sentence. And also we have here, if we have 3 things, okay, like what? Another thing, I play football, comma, tennis, comma, and volleyball. Okay, if you write it, but don't say it like this. Of course, you will not speak to someone and you say I play tennis, comma, football, comma, and no, don't say like this. Don't speak. I give you example if you wanted to write it. Okay, let's go to the 3rd page. More uses of commas, like what? Like I told you, if we have 3 things, like we saw churches, comma, and no, don't put and unless you have and here before the last one. If we have 4 things or 5 things, no problem. First one, comma, second, comma, third, comma, fourth, comma, fifth, comma, sixth, comma, and before the last one, and. Okay, and we have also use a comma between what? A date. and a year. Like today is what? May 4, 2013. What is this date? We have April, the month first. Pay attention. The month first and the day. In American date, not Arabic date, we have month, day, year. What is this? What is the date today? It's April and 1, 2020. Okay? Like this. December 12, year. What else? We use a comma between a city and a state. A city. Okay, Yusuf, a city. No problem if you say city in the dictionary, okay? American dictionary. You got it, Yusuf? You remember? I know you got it. Okay, a city and a state. Like what? I live in Glendale, Arizona. Glendale is a city. Arizona is a state. Like what? I live in live in what? Al-Badi'a, Riyadh. Or sorry, I live in Riyadh, okay, and Saudi Arabia. Okay, because here in America they have states, city and state. Okay, for example, number 3, we have here Montreal, California. California is the state. Montreal is a city. Okay, I hope you got it and understood it. Okay, if you want more examples like repeated things or more one things, I love kufta, shawarma, and stuffed cabbage. Okay, I leave you think what the meaning of stuffed cabbage and you tell me, okay, but in private. Thank you for listening. If you have any question, ask me anytime, and goodbye.